How to fix sound on Duolingo language lesson app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix sound on Duolingo app. If you're having issue with the Duolingo app, or if you're having sound issue on Duolingo app, first of all, you could go ahead and check your device's volume settings. So for that, you could actually go ahead and tap on the side buttons, or else you could just go to the settings, and then here you want to go to sound. Here you want to make sure that the media is turned on to the maximum level. After doing this, you should be able to fix it. However, if that's not the case, you could also try checking for an update. Sometimes outdated version can lead to such issue. So go to Play Store, on the search box type in Duolingo, and here check whether the app needs to be updated or not. After the application is completely up to date, then it should be able to fix it. If that's not the case as well, you could go ahead and make sure to enable the permission. Sometimes you might have disabled the permission, so for that you want to long press the application or the Duolingo app and go to app info, then go to permissions. Here you want to make sure to enable microphone. Make sure allow only while using the app. After doing that, come back to the app info section, go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so just leave it as it is, and that could be able to fix the issue as well. In some cases, you could also try restarting the app and then restarting the device at the same time. That could be able to fix the issue, or else contacting the support team if none of the mentioned step works. So you go ahead and open up a browser, or you could actually go ahead and log in from the app itself. If you want to use the browser, you go ahead and type in Duolingo support, and here you want to press the first link that comes. Then you can go ahead and send a feedback, or you could go ahead and reach out to them stating about your issue. So this is how you could fix sound on Duolingo app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.